Hello there and welcome to my channel Little Hearts Super Kids. In this brand new video, I bring you some amazing space questions. If you love stars in the sky, I'm sure watching this video will make you fall in love with our universe. Shall we begin? Let us explore some questions on space. I will try to answer the how, why, who, what and where for you in this video. Okay, let's begin. Do you know where does the space starts? Around 100 kilometers or 60 miles above the Earth's surface. Once we travel out of our atmosphere. Why do we float in space so easily? A very little gravity in space makes us float, unlike on Earth where everything is pulled down by gravity. Do we have aliens in the universe? Have you seen any yet? Maybe. No one has found one yet, but there are so many galaxies out there we never know. Can astronauts talk from space? Hello, anyone's there? Yes, via phone hooked up to a computer can send emails and make video calls too. Is it dark in space? Yes and no. Wherever there are stars and planets, it is very bright. But that is only 5%. Rest all is very, very dark. Do you know what is a galaxy? It is a huge collection of star systems, dust, gases and dark matter. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way. What do the stars contain? Stars consist of very, very hot exploding gases such as hydrogen and helium. Where have people gone in space? The farthest human beings have gone is to the moon, but the unmanned spacecraft have gone beyond that. Why some planets have rings? Rings make the planets look so pretty from far off. They are actually lumps of rocks, some broken moons, and the ice, no actual rings around it. How do planets stay in space? Are they hanging from a rope? Just kidding. Planets keep orbiting around the star like our sun because they move so fast in one direction and also pull away in other direction. They manage to stay in space. Do you know what is in our space? There are stars, planets, moons, asteroids, lumps of ice called comets and endless empty space. Why do astronauts wear spacesuits? They wear it to protect themselves from extreme temperature. These provide oxygen to breathe and also protects them from space dust. What makes the moon shine? Our moon gets the light from the sun and reflects it back, so we see moonlight. Can I or you become an astronaut one day? Yes, of course. a degree in biology, physics, computer or maths, 3 years of professional experience or 1000 hours, a pilot in commanding plane, and very important, a healthy body. Is there someone up in space always? Yes, since year 2000 at least 2 people always stay in the International Space Station. What is a black hole? Is it really black and dark inside? It is a region in space where gravity is so strong that it sucks in light also. Do you know who walked on the moon first? Not me. It was Neil Armstrong in year 1969. Will we ever live on planet Mars? Yes, of course. One day maybe. We will live in underground domes with oxygen, water, and food supply. Ever wondered how do astronauts come back to the Earth? They come down in a small capsule as it falls through Earth's atmosphere. Parachutes open for their safe landing on Earth. Well friends, that's all for now. Hope you learned something new about our space. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram now as _superkids. Join new first some behind science preparations and much more. Keep watching.